Meaning of instructively.
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 Instructively. The word instructively means in a way that provides useful information or knowledge, especially in a way that helps people to learn or understand something more effectively. It can be used to describe something that is educational, informative, or enlightening in nature. For example, a book that teaches readers about a particular subject in an engaging and easy-to-understand way can be described as instructive. Alternatively, a speech that gives practical advice or guidance on how to do something can also be considered instructive.